Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. If you're preparing for an Adobe Experience Manager, AEM, developer interview, it's essential to understand both the theoretical concepts and practical coding aspects of AEM. Below, I'll outline some common AEM developer interview questions along with code examples where applicable. #####1. What is AEM? Answer **. Adobe Experience Manager, AEM, is a comprehensive content management solution for building websites, mobile apps, and forms. AEM is part of the Adobe Marketing Cloud and allows users to manage their digital assets effectively. ###2. What are the key components of AEM? Answer **. Key components of AEM include sites, for content management and website creation. Assets, for digital asset management. Forms, for managing form-based applications. Communities, for managing community engagement. ###3. Explain the AEM architecture. Answer **. AEM follows a microservices architecture comprising author instance, where content is created and managed. Publish instance, where content is delivered to the end users. Dispatcher, acts as a caching and load balancing tool. ###4. What is a sling model? Provide an example. Answer **. Sling models are a way to create a Java object that maps to a resource in Sling. It uses annotations to define how to populate the object. Example **. ###5. What is the difference between a component and a template in AEM? Answer **. Component, reusable building blocks of AEM. They can be used across different pages. Template, defines the structure of a page. It can include multiple components. ###6. How do you create a custom component in AEM? Answer **. To create a custom component. 1. Create a new folder under /apps/your_project/components/. 2. Add a .html file for the component's markup. 3. Create a .js file for client-side logic, if needed. 4. Create a .content.xml to define the component properties. Example structure **. ###7. What is the role of the AEM dispatcher? Answer **. The AEM dispatcher is a caching and load balancing tool that helps improve performance by caching content and distributing requests among multiple publish instances. ###8. How do you implement a custom workflow in AEM? Answer **. To implement a custom workflow. 1. Define a new workflow model using the AEM Workflow Model Editor. 2. Create custom workflow steps using Java classes implementing the workflow process interface. 3. Deploy the custom process and associate it with the workflow model. Example of a simple workflow process **. ###9. What is a content policy in AEM? Answer **. Content policies are used to define rules for components in AEM that control their behavior and styling based on different contexts, like mobile versus desktop. ###10. How do you handle versioning in AEM? Answer **. AEM provides built-in versioning for content. You can manage versions through the CRXDE Lite interface or programmatically using the JCR API. Example of versioning programmatically *#. #Conclusion. Preparing for an AEM developer interview requires a solid understanding of the AEM platform, its architecture, and the ability to demonstrate practical coding skills. Make sure to practice coding examples and familiarize yourself with the AEM interface, API, and best practices. Good luck with your interview preparation.